I'm Angel Mendoza.
And I'm Matt Martinez.
And we're co-founding OnSight.
Angel and I are both mechanical engineers. We both really love to go to the gym, but we got tired of machines constantly being broken and just like long wait lines in the gym every day. So what we did is we talked to a bunch of gym managers and gym owners, and we found out that they really have a lack of data. They wanted to be able to see how the machines are being used.
Yeah, and that's where OnSight comes in. We built it to actually collect that data. We put sensors up in a facility, we track all pieces of equipment, when it's used, for how long, and what's actually being used, to transfer that all to analytics that the actual gym can then use to better outline their facility and better run it.
Before the manufacturing fund, we were pretty much at like a prototype, proof of concept. So we were able to build 3 of our sensors and deploy them in a pilot at a local gym.
But we didn't really have the money to buy more than 3 sensors. So when we heard about the manufacturing fund, we applied. And then from there, we were able to actually retrofit an entire facility, right? We went from tracking like 20 pieces of machines to tracking over 140 pieces of machines.
Not everyone has like the ability to really bootstrap a startup, especially a hardware startup like ours. So having access to that, to actually be able to deploy, move from that proof of concept to an actual first customer is really huge.
OnSight signed our first customer, so now that we have our first customer, we're able to actually fulfill that contract and deploy. That just leads to way more traction, more development for the company. And then from here, we'll get 2 customers, 3 customers, 4 customers, now that we have some proof of concept that our data is actually working.